Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today we are going to see about one of the broken access control vulnerability, and we are going to find a way to access one of the user who is actually an administrator. But here there are some known parameters, and this is actually a simulation of a real website. It exactly looks like a shopping website, and we can see how we can do that. So let's start with going to my account, and I'll try to log in as a normal user here. So this is my username and password, and my username is Wiener, and your email is wiener@normaluser.net. So this is my username. So let's go to Burp Suite, and we'll try to analyze some of the requests here and see if anything is possible using the parameters that we can modify. You can see the cookie session is set here, and one by one we'll see. And here you can see there is also a cookie only. And when we see that, there is my account ID and Wiener is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to repeater, and I'm going to try to modify this username here. For example, admin. If I do that, let's see what is the response here. You can see that the location has been redirected. Follow redirection is there, and the location here is redirecting to login page. That means this is not working. Also, administrator will try for confirming. And here you can see that in administrator case as well, that the login is actually redirecting to the login page. Let's try to do something else. We'll go to the target and see next level of you can see that here cookie is session only. So here you can see that username and password is being sent, but here we need password in order to log into another user. But you see here I have a known parameter that I'll tell you later when we are facing that parameter itself. So I'll just go to next one, get my account, and we can see only the session cookie is present, nothing else is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the browser and I'm going to update my email. What I'm going to do is let's remove all these. We don't want all the requests that is not useful to us. I'm going to remove all this and I'm going to update my email, pc@gmail.com. So this is my email, and you can see I have updated the username is Veena. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Burp Suite once again and see what and all modifications have been done here. So here in this request you can see only the cookie is there. In this also the cookie only is there. But in this one you can see that my email is being sent here, and this is a parameter and it's a post request. So it is actually sending a post request to modify this. What is the response? Let's see. And you can see here we have multiple parameters that is coming to our browser here. Username is Wiener, email that is being sent, API key, that is API key, and another parameter is role ID equal to 1. So as I have told previously, the known parameter here is I know that role ID equal to 2 is an administrator. It don't have to be an administrator, it can be another user also. If you access another user also, it's still some kind of vulnerability, and you can inform in bug bounty as well as penetration test. But here this is a test lab, so I know that role number 2 is actually an administrator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get that role number 2. So let's see how we can do that. We have to send this to repeater once again, and here from this response I'm going to copy this and I'm going to do a comma here. I'm going to paste it. Instead of role ID 1, I'm going to pass it role ID 2. Let's see how it works. And as you can see that I'm able to change the role ID here, and the response itself actually changed the role ID to 2, and it is associated with the API key which is my own. You see this is session cookie, and the API key that is being given is associated with this 2. So what I'm going to do is instead of again doing it in the request way, I'm going to just reload here. And as you can see here, suddenly this admin panel appeared in the top. You can see home admin panel, my account, because this user is now an administrator. So this is actually broken access control, and the request was modified via a parameter here. So user parameter, it's not a request parameter, but by sending additional request parameter that was found from the response here actually. So I'm going to admin panel. This is Wiener. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete Carlos, and as you can see, I was able to delete the user here, and only Wiener exists. So that means even though I am not a admin user, I was able to gain the access of an admin user, and I was able to delete the user who is actually present in the website. So that's it for today, guys. So I have a request for you. So I see a lot of people who are watching my videos but still not subscribing. I would suggest please subscribe and support. So please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.